Have you ever looked at a plant or a flower and wanted to know what it is or learn more about it? Well, for today's Backyard Nature Challenge, we're going to go outside and learn how to identify some plants. The study of plants is called botany, and someone who studies plants is a botanist. So let's put our botanist hats on and go see what we can find.
First, you have to find a plant that you want to identify and learn more about. I found this tree. To identify what this could be, we have to make some observations. I noticed that this plant has sharp, needle-like leaves and some small groups of cones. Next, I'm going to open up my nature field guide and go to the trees section to look and see if anything in the guide has similar features to the tree I found. I found it! It's an Engelmann spruce! The guide says that Engelmann spruce have needles with sharp tips and cones that often grow in clusters, which is exactly what I observed. I noticed that this plant has long, thin green leaves, a yellow flower with 6 petals, and a trumpeted center. I wasn't able to find this flower in my nature field guide, but using the observations I made and online resources, I was able to find out that it was a daffodil. Wow, look how tall this tree is.
I actually know what this one is. This is an aspen tree. You can tell it's an aspen because of the way it is.
But we could also identify it by observing its rounded, short, pointed leaves and its smooth, chalky bark, and then finding it in the field guide. Another great thing to do is take a photo or draw a picture of your plant for reference later. If you don't have a field guide, you can use these references to go to an online field guide and identify the plant after your adventure.
Thanks for joining me today. I challenge you to go outside and look around and see what plants you can identify near your home.